Okay, got the mask on the turret for the number. Again, I'm kind of doing this quicker than I normally would for the sake of the video, but I'm gotta be careful. I just put a little extra piece of tape there. Okay, got my white ready. Press on. I can go over that with a brush later on and touch up just in case there's a lot of overspray, but still it would be much better than decals. And I just broke it. I broke my stencil. No! So much for videos. Now I have to make another stencil. So much for hurrying it up for the videos. All right, making another stencil. Not that tough. Okay, here we go with more markings. The 201. I think previously I had mentioned that this vehicle was going to be 301. It's 201, which is one of the company command vehicles. And another stencil. Again, it's a little tricky. I'm gonna go with a file about there. Try to keep it perpendicular. It's flapping. Since I had to do another stencil, I decided to do a third one for the rear and decided to go same font but bigger font for the rear of the vehicle. No reference for this, just thought it would look good. This 2 is gonna be a problem, I can already know it. Oof. It's a bridge right here anyway, so might as well use that one. One. Boy, that too I think is gonna be a real mess, but again, any overspray, we can go over it, touching it. I'll be touching the bridges on the stencil anyway, we'll see how that ends up. With so much overspray when I was doing it on video, they actually turned out pretty good. That's the port side, 201, the lower side. This was the first one. I still haven't touched up anything. And then the rear, which was my biggest worry, hey, looks pretty good. So now I'll fill in the bridges of the stencil. Sometimes I almost think I should just leave them like that because they might have used stencils in the real one. But in this case, I'll touch up with a white, go gentle on the white, and then maybe touch up on a little bit of the overspray. And for markings, I just realized looking at the vehicle that I should have a cross on the rear. So I'll have to do that. So one more cross to paint. Or later.